Save them. Come on. The Israeli terrorists are committing a genocide, and the U.S. Congress and Senate are complicit in funding the bombs that are forcing children to be slaughtered and massacred. Shame on this government. The United States of America is complicit in genocide. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. They are massacring children.
If they'll arrest veterans, they'll arrest you.
Stop the bombs! 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 Shame on you! You're complicit! This is your legacy! This is your legacy!
Okay, you have to leave.
You're not allowed to film in the room. That's
You have to leave.
civil liberties. It's like completely. This is absurd. You're going to touch a veteran in your
Why are they arresting you? Why are they arresting you?
Aguilera, talk to the camera.
Why are they arresting you?
They're arresting us for speaking out against genocide.
Stop the bombs!
The U.S.
Stop
Congress
the bombs!
is paying for the
Stop
death of children,
slaughtering babies!
women and children.
Stop slaughtering babies! I can't. Stop fighting. We are being arrested right now for interrupting a foreign affairs hearing on nominations because the U.S. is complicit in genocide. They are complicit in the slaughter of babies.
When the United States Congress comes after veterans, they will come after you. Every American sitting at home right now needs to realize that you are paying for a genocide. Take this one.
Rise up! Rise up, America! Rise up! It is time to take back this country from these corrupt politicians. It is time. It is beyond time.
We're going out to the loading dock.
Thank you for your service.
If you ever wondered for one moment what you would have done during the Holocaust, you don't have to wonder because you are doing it now. You are witnessing the Holocaust of the Palestinian people, and you are all silent and therefore complicit. Silence is complicity. Silence is complicity. You are all complicit in the genocide and Holocaust of the Palestinian people. The United States is funding the Holocaust of the Palestinian people, and if you are staying silent, if you are not raising your voice to stop this, you are actively complicit in the genocide. They're luring them away, and then they're killing them while they're just trying to get some food because they're starving to death. There's a genocide going on in Gaza, and we are here to say that this is not okay. There's a genocide in Gaza. You are actively complicit in the Palestinian Holocaust. If you are not doing everything you can every moment of every day to raise your voice to stop the United States funding of the Holocaust of Palestine, you are actively complicit. We will remember.